why I wrote this book. All you have to do is type the word sleep apnea in the Kindle book search bar on Amazon.com. Seriously, try it. See for yourself. As I'm writing this, you will find a number of enticing titles. There's the Sleep Apnea Cure Solution and the free cure to sleep apnea. You can stop using CPAP. Sounds promising, doesn't it? As a respiratory therapist, I've helped and treated thousands of patients. When I read the description of these, I consider them extremely misleading. Let's get a couple myths I've seen out of the way right now. Essential oils are not a cure to sleep apnea. Neither is a ginger carrot juice concoction. Neither is wearing an ionized copper bracelet. There are even more blog posts online doubling down on confusing everyone that there are free one-size-fits-all solutions or cures. As soon as we think we've seen them all, a new one pops up. We've debunked some of the worst offenders on YouTube. Just type in snoring industry or sleep apnea industry. My goal is to give you an easy-to-understand explanation of what sleep apnea is. Then we will really dive into the treatment options available for patients and comment on what actually works, from least invasive to most. Plus, now for existing CPAP users, we've added the bonus book Hacking CPAP Comfort, which is exclusive to our updated 6th edition. If you, a friend, or a family member has recently been diagnosed with sleep apnea, or if you suspect you or someone you know has it, then this book is a great starting point. You don't need to read an 800-page book on sleep apnea to find out what will work best for you. That's why we've condensed everything you need to know to get the ball rolling. This is now the 6th edition of this book, and we've had plenty of great feedback from readers that have led to updates in every chapter. Some of this information will surprise and shock you. I won't sugarcoat anything. If there are even 1 or 2 points that you can take away from this guide, we've had success.